Online business banking roles. The Business Administration widget puts you in complete control of your online business banking and is where you can establish roles, users, and permissions. You can create a tailored role by selecting the features and actions users assigned to that role can perform. Then add accounts to the role and allocate permissions for each account. Finally, enter authorization and transaction limits for each transaction type permitted to the role. To get started, navigate to the Roles tab. Click the Add a Role button. Give your role a name, such as Office Manager. Enter a description, such as Manages Payroll and Bill Pay. Then click Create Role. Once you have created a role, you have the foundation for creating a new business user. You will now need to give that role permissions. Click on the expanded bullet icon to see descriptions of those permissions, then click on the pencil icon to edit. Check the box next to each permission that you would like the role to have. Click Save Changes to apply the permissions. The final step in creating a role is to grant access to accounts and set transaction limits. Accounts and limits can be found below Permissions in the Roles tab. Click the pencil icon to the right of Accounts or the Add Accounts button if the role has no assigned accounts. Add a check mark next to each account that you would like the role to be able to access. And then click Assign Accounts. Click the pencil icon to the right of Limits or the Edit Limits button if limits have not yet been configured. Check the methods to be enabled. Enter daily, weekly, and monthly limits. And conclude by clicking Save Changes. Now that the role has been created, in our example Office Manager, you can create a user or a sub-user who will be a real person who will log into your account and assign them to that role.